Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon as well, so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of Euro USD, which is the Euro versus US dollar pair from where we left off on the previous day, which was on the Monday night. So when we were discussing, market was trending over here, and you guys can see that once market closed below our area of resistance, we could take a short position. So let me take this trade for you guys, and you guys can understand that how much profit would you guys have made. Okay, so this will be your first short position over here. Your stop loss will be just above the previous candle, and your take profit will be 0.6%. Okay, and then afterwards, market gave us another opportunity, but then you guys would have had a stop loss. From here, if you guys would have taken a long position, another stop loss hit, and once market came down, let me see, and you guys, if you guys could take a short position from here as well. So this will be another short position over here. Your stop loss will be just above the previous candle, and take profit will be approximately 1.2%. So the 1.2 and 0.6%, it makes 1.8. So you guys have hit two stop loss and two to take profit. So far it is a break even. And if you guys take a buy entry over here, the stop loss will be over here, the previous side, and this will be your take profit 0.5%. Very simple trade. And then once the market has taken the entry of a sell position over here, you guys could take a short position. This will be your stop loss just above the previous candle, and this will be a running trade giving you a profit of at least 1%. And then another entry, possible entry, will be approximately from this candle over here. Your stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and your take profit could be over here. Okay, so now let us discuss the scenarios that what is happening in this euro versus US dollar pair. You guys can clearly see that market is in a very good sideways movement. Okay, and there is no buying pressure or no selling pressure, and this is a totally a perfect sideways rebounding movement from here till here, and our areas of long-term resistance and long-term supports are still valid, and these areas have not been tested. Our short-term area of support has is now currently being tested as well. Okay, so if you guys would have taken maybe a long position from this shorter side, maybe you guys would be just about to hit a stop loss over here. Okay, but then again, it is not a guarantee that you guys are gonna make profits on every trade. But what you guys have to identify is that now market is trying to break out, and now you guys need to be on the buying side of the market, because this structure has been broken. Because let me clearly tell you that now this area is a major area of demand. Okay, this area has partially behaved as a major area, as a minor area of supply, but let's see that how much time this area can hold itself. As per my analysis, I think that maybe market will come down, but it will going to rise up again. Okay, something like this. Okay, so now let me move forward the scenarios for the next coming days, which will be first uh, 1st and 2nd May 2024. The area of resistance are gonna remain same. Okay, so yeah, so now let me move forward these scenarios, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and I will try my best to help you guys as much as possible. And if you guys do not understand, do not hesitate to ask any question. I am always here to help you guys in any possible way. because in trading there is no right and there is no absolutely wrong scenario. You guys only have to make informed decisions uh, on your risk analysis. Okay, that's it, nothing else. So just be vigilant, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. Okay, so currently market is trending over here, so I have moved forward the scenarios for you guys. The areas of resistance and the major area of supports are going to remain same. So let's see that what is market gonna do with us in the coming 2 days of the 1st May and the 2nd May. So that's it for today. I will see you guys with the fresh scenarios by tomorrow. I hope you guys will be making some good profits. Till then, just do safe trading and always manage your risks and never risk more than 1% of your total equity. Okay, thank you.